Magandang dilag, puso ko'y humabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang langit. Oh, magandang dilag. Mawala mo lahat, sila napapatingin. Di mawari, ba't ganun ang nangyayari sa akin? Isang ngiti mo lang parang nakakabaliw. Ano ba ang ginawa ko at pinaaaliw? Naanaw na para bang isang tala sa gitna ng kalawakan. Oh, let's go!
Halika mga madam! Alam mo, di para ma-surprise ako. Ba't naman na? Ayan! Bakit ganyan? Akala mo na ang friends! Kailangan ng friends! Baka, ulas ka.
You're the only touch, yeah, that get me melting. He's my favorite flavor, always gonna pick him. You're the cherry piece, just stay on top of me, so I can't see nobody else for me, no. Get it, flip it, scoop it, do like that, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like it, love it, lick it, do like la la la, oh yeah. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Coldest with a kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so he call me ice cream. You could double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin', ice cream.
Happy 18th birthday, Arrianne! Happy 18th birthday,
Snow cone chili, get it free like Willie. In the jeans like Billy, you be popping like a wheelie. Even in the sun, you know I keep it icy. You could take a lick, but it's too cold to bite me. Burr, frozen, you're the one been chosen. Play the part like Moses, keep it fresh like roses. It looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Coldest with a kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet, baby.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Isa pa! Happy birthday! Sige, Cocker!
Kaya sila ko natulog.
Arrianne, makakatulog ka na! Arrianne! Grabe! Ang grabe!
To my daughter Arrianne, never forget that my treasure is you and your children. When life gets hard and you feel all alone, remember that you mean the world to me. Be brave, have courage, and love life. Be who you are and say what you feel. Because those who mind don't matter, and those who matter don't matter. You know that. Follow your dreams, believe in yourself, and remember to be awesome. Swag. Love you now and forever, Mama Jade.
Ayan! Okay! Ang message ng kanyang lola at ang kanyang lolo.
AJ, today is a celebration of your 18th birthday. Celebrate your birthday, smiling, knowing in your heart how very much your love. Sana maligaya mong patanggapin ang pagbati ng lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa iyo. At isa na ako doon. So, AJ, smile to the people around you now. Rejoice, decide or choose to be happy always, no matter what. There is always a reason to be sad, but please choose to be happy always. Be kind, always be humble, pray without ceasing. May your dreams come true. May the good Lord bless you always wherever you are. Happy 18th birthday. Enjoy.
Ayan! So, si Lolo! Asan si Lolo?
Arrianne Jade, you are now 18 years old tomorrow, but we are celebrating it now. Ngayon, paalala ko lang, pagpatuloy mo muna yung pag-aaral, kailangan makatapos ka ng kurso, bago yung kung ano pa man. Hindi natin maalis yan. Ano dyan, friends, tapos kung saan pupunta. Pero masasabi ko, pagdating ng panahon na yun, tingnan mo ang mga katangian ng mga lalaki sa'yo. Sana hindi matulad yung kay papa mo, kay daddy mo, na nangiiwan. Gusto ko yung kagaya sana ng Uncle Ronald mo, kahit na malayo sa pamilya na nagtatrabaho, faithful pa rin siya. Ganon din yung Uncle Kiling mo, siman, nagtrabaho sa malayo, makikita mo, wala na, kasi magtitino sila. Pati yung Uncle Libre mo, ang misis niya malayo, pero pagkikita mo naman na matitino. Yun ang gusto ko, sanang hanapin mo rin balang araw na dumating na panahon na yun. So, pero sa ngayon, kailangan mo na mag-concentrate ka ng pag-aaral. Kailangan makatapos ka ng course at makapagtrabaho. Dahil yan ang magiging pundasyon mo sa haharapin future na buhay. So, ngayon gusto namin na maging maligaya ka sa araw na ito, sa iyong karawan. So, enjoy lang.
Happy birthday, my dearest sister. Charot. Wait lang.
Uy, wait ako, I just wanna sit. Mag-set na lang pa ako.
As you turn another year older, take comfort in the fact that there's no such thing as downhill.
Naman lang mo yan.
Seryoso.
Dali mo lang. Go.
Look forward to conquering the next level, whatever it may be. In the game of life, you are the winner.
Ayaw ko na, guys.
Sinabi na ni Amo.
Kailangan ko ng friends. Okay ka niya, wish ka kay Ari.
Ibulong mo sis. Mag-beat to facing. Naiyak ko. Happy birthday. Sasabihin ko. God bless. Sana lahat ng dreams mo matupad. Tapos, sana makahanap ka na ng... Yan lang po.
Arrianne, Jade, ano ang masasabi mo sa iyong tita na nasa Hawaii na si Ma'am Christine? At sa iyong nanay Lilia na nagbigay ng money cake at saka si Ma'am Christine ang kanyang money bouquet at yung mother. Ano masasabi mo? Dito ka, Adi. Ano nakakaya? Wag umiyak. Tears of joy.
Tita, thank you. See you sa tita, tas kay nanay, thank you rin po. Di ko inaasahan na ganito kalaki yung surprise. Thank you po.
Ano sa iyong mami? Mama, ano masasabi mo?
Ma!
Halika, mama!
Thank you!
Para na magkaroon ka na. Masaya ka ba, Arrianne? Oh, masaya! Ang mga friends, masaya? Opo. Ay, malungkot, isa pa. Masaya? La, 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 la! Flowers Happy Party Needs. Thank you, Ma'am Christine and Ma'am Nelia for choosing us. And of course, to Miss Arrianne Jade. At saka sa kanyang mothers, at saka kay Nico. At saka kay Lolo, kay Uncle, kay Taray. At sa MC, dito po ang susunod. Si Kuya. Si Kuya Jeremy. Siya na po ang next na mag-continue ng kanyang party. So, ingat! Thank you!
18th birthday, Ate Arrianne. This is a huge milestone to achieve. I just wish you to have a great and wonderful day. And also Merry Christmas to you all.
Okay.
Ate Arrianne, enjoy your 18th birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi Arrianne, happy 18th birthday. May all your wishes and dreams come true and find the courage to pursue them. Happy 18th birthday and always listen to your mom and study hard. Be a good girl. Okay, I love you.
Happy birthday, Arrianne. Okay, enjoy this joyous day of yours. Basta, be a good girl. You study hard. I think that's gonna be the greatest gift to your mom and to your parents. So enjoy it, celebrate it, and treasure it. Treasure the moments. Okay. So wish you all the best. At saka stay healthy. Okay. Okay. Happy birthday here from Hawaii.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Arrianne. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 18th birthday, Arrianne. Wishing you the best. Enjoy!
Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya ka langit ko. Magandang dilag, lahat mo lahat sila napapatingin. Di mawari, ba't ganun ang nangyayari sa akin? Isang ngiti mo lang parang nakakabaliw. Ano ba ang ginawa ko? Pinaalis
Timor Techno Remix.